very warm good morning to all my dear students. As you know, my previous class was depend on multiples. Now today let us we discuss about factors. What is the meaning of factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Just I want to give two examples for explanation of factor. Your first example is 2 a factor of 8. In this question you will find that 2 is a factor of 8 or not. As you are looking in this example, there are two numbers 2 and 8. 2 is smallest number, 8 is biggest number. So biggest number divided by smallest number. As you are looking 8 divided by 2, what you will get? 2 4 ja 8. 8 minus 8 0. Remainder is 0. The meaning is 2 is a factor of 8. Okay. Just I want to give one other example. Is 3 a factor of 11? Is 3 a factor of 11? In this example there are two numbers 3 and 11. 11 is biggest number, 3 is smallest number. Okay, so 11 divided by 3. As you are looking 3 3 ja 9. 11 minus 9 you will get 2. Remainder is 2. The meaning is 3 is not a factor of 11. 3 is not a factor of 11. Okay, now let us we discuss about prime numbers. What is the meaning of prime numbers? As you know very well, the numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. The numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Suppose you want to take out the factor of 3. Factor of 3 are 1 and 3. Factor of 7 are 1 and 7. Factor of 11 are 1 and 11. 3, 7, 11, all these are prime numbers. Okay. Now let us we discuss about composite numbers. What is the meaning of composite numbers? As you know very well, prime numbers and composite numbers both are opposite to each other. As you know, prime numbers have only two factors. First is 1, second is itself. And composite number has more than two factors. Now look here. Numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Okay. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. The meaning is composite number has more than two factors. Okay. Now let us we discuss about co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only 1 as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. For example, suppose the meaning is co-prime numbers are related with different type of numbers. Suppose factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Okay. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. In these these numbers, what is the common factor? As you know very well, 1 is here, 1 is here. So common factor is 1. The meaning is 3 and 7 are co-prime numbers. 3 and 7 are co-prime numbers. Okay. Now let us discuss about prime factorization. As you know very well, every composite number can be expressed as a product of its factor. If all the factors are prime, it is called prime factorization. Just I want to repeat for you. Every composite numbers can be expressed as a product of its factors if all the factors are prime. It is called prime factorization. Just I want to give some examples for prime factorization. Now look here. Suppose you want to take out the prime factorization of 14 by short division method. So what will you do? 14. As you know very well, 14 divided by 2. 2 7 ja 14 and 7 1 ja 7. So prime factorization of 14 will be 2 into 7 into 1. Okay. Suppose just you have one other number, just I want to take 18. You will find out the prime factorization of 18. So what will you do? 18, you know very well, 18 divided by 2. 2 9 ja 18, again 9, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So prime factorization of 18 will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. It is the prime factorization of 18. Again, suppose you want to draw the factor tree of 350. So what will you do? Look here. This is your given number 350. The meaning is you will find out the prime factorization of 350 by the factor tree. So what will you do? Obviously in this question we will find out the prime factorization of 350. As you are looking, 35 10 ja 350. As you know, 350 is the composite number. 350 is composite number, and composite number is product of two numbers. Look here, 35 10 ja 350, again 35. 35 is product of 5 and 7. 5 7 ja 35. Again 10 is the factor of 2 and 5. 2 5 ja 10. So this is the factor tree of 350. Okay. My dear students, your next topic is highest common factor. As you know very well, by the help of name highest common factor, it is very clear to you. Now look here, highest common factor HCF. HCF is the short form of highest common factor. Highest common factor of two or more numbers is the largest numbers that divides the number without leaving any remainder. Highest common factors of two or more numbers is the largest number that divides the number without leaving any remainder. Just I want to give some example to you. Suppose you want to find the HCF of 90 and 120. So for finding the HCF, it is very necessary to know prime factorization. Okay, so first we take out the prime factorization of these two numbers. As you are looking, 90 is first number. You know very well 90 divided by 2. 90 divided by 2 you will get 45. Again 45 divided by 3 you will get 15. 15 divided by 3 you will get 5, and 5 divided by 5 you will get 1 again. Okay, now prime factorization of 120 will be, you know very well 120 will be divided by 2, you will get 60. Again 60 divided by 2 you will get 30. 30 divided by 2 you will get 15. 15 divided by 3 you will get 5, and 5 divided by 5 you will get 1. So after prime factorization we can find out the HCF of 90 and 120. So 90 will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, and 120 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Again after prime factorization we can take out the common factor. We can take out the common factor. Now look here, it is the common factor of 2, this is common factor of 3, and this is common factor of 5. So HCF of 90 and 120 will be, common factor is 2 into 3 into 5. You will get 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. The meaning is 30 is HCF of 90 and 120. According to definition, 90 and 120 totally divided by 30. 90 and 120 exactly divided by 30. Okay. I have one more example. Find the HCF of 16, 18 and 22. So in this question first we find out prime factorization of 16, 18 and 22. As you are looking, 16 divided by 2 you will get 8. 8 divided by 2 you will get 4. 4 divided by 2 you will get 2, and 2 divided by 2 you will get 1. Again we will take out the prime factorization of 18. 18 divided by 2 you will get 9. 9 divided by 3 you will get 3, and 3 divided by 3 you will get 1. Again next number is 22. You are looking 22 divided by 2, you will get 11, and 11 divided by 11, you will get 1. So after prime factorization of three numbers, we can take out the common factors. Look here, 16 you can written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Prime factorization of 18 will be 2 into 3 into 3. Again, prime factorization of 22 will be 2 into 11. In these prime factorization, what is the common factor? What is the common factor? You know very well, according to this question, what is the common factor? Common factor is 2. Common factor is 2. So HCF of 16, 18 and 22 will be 2. So my dear students, all these examples depend on the factors and HCF. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.